Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Discord and your device are current and audible. Open Discord, check for updates, then restart the app so settings load fresh. While there, confirm your system volume isn't muted and that Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is off, because those suppress alerts. Also verify your speaker or Bluetooth headset is connected and set as the default output, otherwise notifications play but you won't hear them. Once done, move to the app-level notification settings to narrow the source. Next, inside Discord, go to User Settings and open Notifications so you control how alerts behave. Enable desktop notifications and the notification sound option, because without that tick, you get no audio. Then inspect each server and channel. Overrides can mute sounds or set only mentions. If a server or channel is muted, unmute it or change override to play sounds. Make sure the app volume isn't lowered by per app mixer. Verify System Mixer shows Discord output volume. To finish, send a test message or join a test server and have someone ping you so you can confirm sound plays. If mobile, send a push notification test or toggle background app refresh and battery saver off. If problems persist, clear Discord cache or reinstall the app to reset corrupted files. Make sure you log into your account on another device. If sounds work there, it's a device setting. If not, check account-level muted servers or contact support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.